How to upload a video to Google Drive. This is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to go to your Google account. As you can see, I am signed in here. And then click this icon above, tap Drive. Here, you can upload your files here, a photo or a video, it's up to you. Now go to this plus new button here, click File Upload, and then go to your Documents, Pictures, or any file folder. Look for the video about to upload, for example, this one. Click, and then click Open. Wait as it is processing or downloading. Then once done, you can view this file or video or photo still here in your Google Drive. So all you have to do is to click the folder, then you can locate the file. So it's here. So if you want to view and download it again, all you have to do is to tap or click the file. As easy as that. And that's how you upload a video to Google Drive. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.